Well, good day everybody. Today is a day for staining. I got a little barn door here I made a couple months ago, and I just got to get some stain on it and throw some hinges on it today and hang it up on the bedroom door. It's our spare bedroom, and we'll see how it goes. Anyways, hope you like what I'm doing. Okay, here's the barn door. Just a little glimpse before I throw some stain on her. Okay. That's it. Get you up there. That's what it'll look like. Right. Now I'm just gonna get some stain on it. And I gotta match the theme I'm going in. The house is barnwood industrial, right? So I'm getting all the barnwood stain. I make all the wood in the house has all been sawmilled from trees off the property, dried, and then planed and made into stuff. So I'm trying to do the whole house all from the property, and then I'm going to turn the inside of the outside of the property into self-sustainable, like so I can grow my own vegetables, and I'll have a little greenhouse. I'll have a little outdoor kitchen. So anyways, follow me along and I'll get some stain on this. Okay, get some stain out. Got to give it a good stir. This is a stain that's supposed to be barnwood, right? Turn it old and rustic. I've aged the door a bit, right? Built it out of just scraps that I had sitting in short pieces, and laminated. The inside here is birch. The outside is fir. Just a quick, easy door. Just going up in the bedroom to give some privacy. The door handles will be just curved roots, trees, branches, or whatever. Pieces of wood, curved natural log. Right. The whole inside of the house will be rustic. All handmade, done myself. Okay. I don't know what the birch is going to look like, but let's get it going. She's sucking her up. Sucking her up good. because it's so big, we'll take this stuff off as we go. fur done. Well, that looks all right. Okay. Let's get the fur done. Other side. Okay, guys, that's the final door. All barn wooded up. Okay, looks pretty good. Okay, that's it. Okay. I'll get another picture when it's installed here. So anyways, see you inside. Okay, here's the bedroom door installed. Battery went dead on the installing it and I didn't notice it, but there it is. It's in there. Beautiful. Now I put an old rustic bent curved branch or a tree root. I got some tree roots out back that I'm going to hunt through and find the proper one. Nice curve to it and maybe a twist hopefully and a big knot. And just rustic, stain her up, barnwood, and away we go. Anyways, I hope you like this video, and I'd like you to follow along, and I got some more cool projects coming up. I'm doing a big slab table, gluing it together using dominoes. So if you like that kind of stuff and watch, it'll be a desktop for the other bedroom, and it'll be a cool setup the way I set it all up for doing the computer desk. Anyways, have a good day, and see you soon. Bye.